Hi, this is Chris with RoboSprout. I was just going to show you a quick jig I made for cutting heat shrink. So I needed heat shrink for these cables here, about that length. I wanted 15 millimeter per, and it's a little difficult to get it kind of accurate, so I decided I would take this and make it so that just snip. It's a little hard with one hand since I'm shooting the video, but if you just cut all these right at these little spots that I made just right for the scissors and 3D printed this, it allows you to get all of these heat shrink pieces. It starts with 150 millimeter long pieces, and in the end you have a bunch of perfectly cut pieces that are all the same. So you just lay in the heat shrink off of a spool here, and you take that and you put it on into this holder, and then cut every one of those, and that gives you 30 pieces per. So, and I was debating making a cutting tool, but instead of that, I just made an automated cutting tool, but I figured that's a bit of a waste of time, seeing as I only need a couple hundred of these at a time. So you could see pretty much in 5 minutes you can get a few hundred of these cut off, and then you don't need to have an automated tool or anything, and it still comes out to be the exact length you're looking for. All right, thanks.